In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Discord account step by step, including what to do if you own any servers before you remove the account. This is the safest way to make sure the deletion goes through without errors. And if you've been wanting a clean break from Discord, this guide will walk you through the entire process. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Discord and sign in to the account you want to delete. You can use the desktop app, the browser version, or the mobile app, but the steps are easiest to follow on desktop. Once you're logged in, look toward the bottom left of the screen near your username and click the gear icon. This opens your user settings, where all of your account controls are located. Inside user settings, go to the My Account section. This is where Discord keeps your personal account information, email, password options, and account management tools. Scroll down through this page until you find the Delete Account option. When you click it, Discord will start the account deletion process. Before you confirm anything, there's something very important to check. If you own any Discord servers, you'll need to transfer ownership to another member or delete the servers first. Discord won't let you fully delete the account if it still controls servers, because those servers need an active owner. So if you have your own community server, go into the server settings and either hand ownership to someone else you trust or remove the server if you no longer need it. Once that's done, return to the account deletion window. Discord will ask you to enter your password to confirm that it's really you. Type your Discord password carefully and make sure there are no mistakes. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, Discord may also ask for your 2FA code. If prompted, open your authenticator app and enter the current code to continue. After you've entered your password and any required 2FA code, you'll see the final confirmation button. Click Delete Account to permanently remove the account. At this point, Discord will process the request and your account will be scheduled for deletion according to their policy. Once completed, your account will no longer be accessible. That's the full process for permanently deleting your Discord account. Just remember to transfer or remove any servers first, then confirm with your password and 2FA if needed. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more clear, easy-to-follow tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.